Welcome back to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TG TV, and we just checked into the Hampton Inn and Suites Atlanta Airport North, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick room tour here. So we're in room 718, which is on the 7th floor. This is the view we have from our room, so it's pretty much the highway to and from Atlanta Airport. And then this is our room. It smells nice and fresh and clean in here. It's probably an older property, not too old, but you know, you can see some wear and tear here on the wall. It needs a little bit of paint. The carpet looks older, but generally speaking, it's not that old. Customer service at the check-in was good. Ground transportation, the shuttle, was a tiny bit frustrating because we had to wait a lot longer than we were advised over the phone. And it's surprisingly cold in Atlanta today. But everything seems to be pretty clean and well maintained. We got a little fridge here, which is always great. Microwave. Clean. And the bathroom. Yeah, this needs to... Alright, and then let's check out the shower and the bathtub. Yeah, it's older, but it's not bad. Could be worse, could be older. Alright guys, don't forget to like this video, comments are always welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Guru TV, support our channel. There will be tons of travel related videos from all over the world. That's my promise to you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.